Hi everyone, we're going to go over the expression to get cracking. When we say to get cracking or I need to get cracking, it means I need to get busy. I need to get very busy doing something. So we're going to go over a few different sentences in which we can use get cracking. So first I'll start with the subject I, then I need to. If it's necessity or I should, if it's kind of a duty or obligation that I have to do. So I can say I need to get cracking. That's a sentence. You can end it there. You can say I should get cracking, and that's also a sentence. Now, if you want to give a little bit more context on what you need to get busy on, then you can say I need to get cracking on that assignment. So if there is something that you need to get busy on and you want to extend that sentence a bit, you can say, I need to get cracking on that assignment. I need to get cracking on that homework. I need to get cracking on that presentation, and so on and so forth. And as I said earlier, you can also use I should. So, I should get cracking on that presentation. So that's one way that we can use it if we need to get busy on something. Now, there's also the time of the day in which we need to get busy, right? Some of us wake up very early. We get busy in the morning. So in that case, you can say, I always get cracking at dawn. If this is just to give a specific time of when you start getting busy. So, I always get cracking at dawn. I usually get cracking at dawn. So this just lets the listener know the time of day that you really start getting busy. Um, Now you can also say I always get cracking early in the morning, or I get cracking at and then a time. So I always get cracking at 5. I always get cracking at 6. Okay, so that is another way that we can use to get cracking to let the listener know what time we start getting busy. And we can also use get cracking in the future tense. So I can say I'll get cracking. I will get cracking. So I'll get cracking at dawn. So when I'm saying I'll get cracking at dawn, it means the dawn that is coming, the pretty much tomorrow morning. So I'll get cracking at dawn, or I'll get cracking at 5, or I'll get cracking early in the morning. So these are a few of the variations in which we can use to get cracking, which means to get busy. And that's going to conclude this lesson, and thank you very much for following along.